Police station. Police station. Police van motorbike. Policeman. The police helps to maintain peace. Managing crowd.
Number 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Read and write.
Action words are the words that tell us what we are doing. They are called doing words. For example, when we run, that's an action. When we jump, that's an action. When we eat, that's an action. When we sleep, that's also an action. So, whenever you are doing something, the word for that is an action word. Look at the pictures. Circle the correct action word from the box.
$45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Trace and write. Introduction, bank. Bank. Inside bank. Match the pictures. Benny's busy day. Benny the bee woke up early. The sun was shining, the flowers were swaying, and the garden smelled sweet. Buzz, buzz, time to work, he said. First, Benny flew to the red rose. He sipped sweet nectar and carried it to his basket. Then he zoomed to the yellow sunflower. He danced in a happy circle before sipping nectar. Next, Benny spotted the purple lavender. He hummed a little bee song while he worked. Buzz, 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 busy as can be. By afternoon, Benny's basket was heavy with nectar. He flew back to the beehive, wings beating fast. At the hive, all the bees clapped their wings. Good job, Benny, they cheered. You worked hard and brought us sweet nectar. Benny smiled and shared the nectar with everyone. As the sun set, the hive was full of happy buzzing. Moral: hard work brings sweet rewards. Big means large in size. Small means little in size. Examples: a tree is big, a leaf is small. A ball is big, a marble is small. Big and small help us compare the size of things. Write B under the big objects and S under the small objects. Introduction, airport. Airport. Pilot. Boarding pass check-in, counter, metal detector. Air hostess. Luggage. Carry-on, bag, baggage claim. Inside airport. Home of aeroplanes is called as airport. An airport is where all aeroplanes land and take off in the sky. Circle the things we see inside an airport. Things can be in different places. In means something is inside. The ball is in the box. On means something is on top. The cat is on the table. Under means something is below. The shoes are under the chair. So, when we look at things, we ask where is it? In, on, or under? Look at the picture and circle the correct word in, on, or under. The cat is in, under the box. The cat is in, on the box. The cat is on, under the box. Introduction to zoo. Zoo. Animals. Inside zoo. Zoo maintains a collection of wild animals, typically in a park or gardens, for study, conservation, or display to the public. Color the picture.
(46) 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Trace and write.